Hey guys, how you guys doing? Well, today I need a car wash. I need it pretty bad. My car's been sitting outside for a week and it's really dusty. And it doesn't have mud caked on or anything, so it just needs a good foam on there, take all that loose dust off. Then we're gonna hand wash it, and then I wanna seal it up. And I wanna make it as easy as possible. And one of the systems or companies that makes a good system for this is Griot's Garage. Now they have a Boss foaming system. And basically, you get their foam cannon, so you can dilute any product you want in here and stick this inside there and use it like a normal foam cannon. Or you can use these different colored tips, and there's 3 different colored tips. I have one inside here. And basically you stick them inside the bottom of this ball, and this drops inside, and you can just foam right from their bottles. So this fits their bottles or the foam cannon. It's very cool. Great system for lazy people like myself, and you just want to cut time. You don't want to measure, you don't want to do any dilutions. This does it all for you. The thinking process is done. All right, and I'm gonna show you how to do all that right now. Stay tuned. If you haven't hit that subscribe and like button, make sure you do. All right, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna get our top of the foam cannon that comes with it. And you have 3 different tips here. The pink one is for gas, the purple's for electric, and the aqua one is for maximum foam. And you're gonna stick the small end into the little hole here. And you're gonna push it in, and it's in there really good, okay? Now we're gonna use a foaming surface prep first, then we're gonna go to the foaming surface wash, and then we're gonna use the polygloss, which is their sealant spray and rinse type of product here. So let's take a look at that. Let me show you how easy this is. You take the lid off here, you drop this in, you screw it on, and it's done. All right, and then that you just hook right to your foam cannon, to your pressure washer. And I'm also using the electric AR Blue Max. This is also something sold by Griot's Garage. It is an electric pressure washer. It's pretty quiet. I like using it usually inside the garage, but today we're just gonna use it outside as a full system. All right, so I got the foaming surface prep. I'm gonna hook it to my pressure washer tip here, and we're ready to go. So the foaming surface prep should be the first product you're gonna use. It's gonna help strip waxes and sealants. It's gonna break down dirt, grime, debris. Now you can foam this on, leave it, and then rinse it off, or you can foam it on. You could rub it in and then rinse it off, however you want to do it, but it should be the first product in your process of stripping. All right, so we got step 1 done. We foamed it. That's about as much as I've used. That's non-diluted, that's concentrated, so this is breaking down anything that's on that car. You can also use this product for like wax removal, grease removal, and you would probably want to rub it in, but I'm just going to foam it, let it sit and break down the dirt, dust, anything that's on there. Then we're going to rinse. All right, now we're going to switch products here. I'm going to take this one out, put it right into this one. And we're ready to go. right, so we've rinsed the car off from the surface prep, and now we're going to use the foaming surface wash. This is like their soap. Plug it in. And since it's a little bit hot today, I'm just going to do half a car and then I'll do the other half after. Now this is not the thickest shaving cream in the world, but it is decently thick. And what it really does is a nice job of getting in there, loosening up dirt and dripping down the sides. You know, it's a perfect combination actually. You see it, how it's dripping down there. Last but not least, we're going to switch up. This is the final polygloss, foaming polygloss. And this is their sealant. You're going to spray it on, let it sit, and you're going to rinse it off. It's that easy. If you're confused about products new in this industry, Griot's Garage has really dumbedified it, simplified it, made it easy for you. They send this in a package. You don't have to do anything. Just do what I just did. Let's check it out. Polygloss for the final step from Griot's Garage. So I've used this quite a bit and I'm still only half bottle in. So this will last you a long time. You'll get about 3 months out of this, somewhere between 2 and 3 months depending on your weather conditions and how you drive your car. But an excellent, easy product. All we're gonna do is rinse it off now and dry the car. Polygloss, what you're looking for is these lines as it drips down. It has this cool design in it, and that's what you're looking for it to do. And it does that all over your car. It's coating it with a nice sealant, and just notice it all the way around the car. Really cool. That's how you know it's working. It's got that good structure to it. Alright guys, so did you like the video? Hit that subscribe and like button. Make sure you click the notifications bell so you get all the new videos we're putting out. Today we're talking about the Griot's Garage Boss foam system. And so I use this today, but actually this kit comes with a lot more. It comes with an extra bottle and the towel. The towel was hiding in my drawer and I had another one available, so I didn't use that. I should have used the towel, but let's talk about this. So they're surface prep. That's kind of a stripping agent. Very nice product. Spray it on, let it do its thing, strip it. If you want to rub it in, it'll strip even further. Then you can use their foaming surface wash. That's their soap. It smells really good, like vanilla or tanning oil. I don't know how to explain it. And that'll clean your car as you wash it by hand. And finally, you're going to seal it up with the polygloss. All three of these foam and rinse off. The polygloss also foams and rinses off. It leaves nice beading, a good shine. It's really good because there's no streaking when you're done. And when you're done, you're just gonna go ahead and grab your towel and dry the vehicle. Like I said, it looks great. A lot of gloss and shine, good slickness. It's gonna have good protection, at least 3 months of protection with this. Now this is a real nice kit to use because for the DIY person, the new person that's getting into it, even a professional that doesn't have a lot of time and is pushing cars through, all they gotta do is get the top from the foam cannon, which comes with the kit, and plug and play, plug and play, plug and play. It's that simple. If you want to do your own dilutions in the foam cannon, well, you can make your own dilutions. Otherwise, just plug it in. I've had this kit and I've used it probably about 7 times, and that's what I'm going through so far. So it goes a long way. Their towel is really nice, just like any of my other twisted loop towels. I really like it. It's a nice, really large towel. And they give you this extra bottle here so you can dilute by hand the surface prep if you wanted to spray it on and just do a little section if you're not using a pressure washer and you don't want to foam it like that. So a lot of bang for your buck in this kit. They also have that AR Blue Max pressure washer, which I have really come to like a lot. It's just the right amount of pressure. It's soft on the paint, it's quiet. So as a whole, this was an amazing kit, you know, and I've really grown to like it and use it more and more and more. Of course, I have a lot of products here, so I can't use this all the time. But every time I use this, it's super simple. It's fast and easy to use. They've really just hit a home run here. I highly suggest, if you want something easy, guys, if you want something that you don't have to dilute, you don't have to think about, get this, put the lid on it, boom, boom, boom. It has all the tips you need. All the different little tips, gas, electric, high foaming. You just stick them in there and you put them inside the pressure washer. It's that simple. Inside the bottle and connect it to the pressure washer. It's that simple. It's very easy. Great kit, guys. Get you guys some Griot's Garage products. Try out the Boss foaming kit. Have a nice day.